Hi there, we are now looking at component-based dialogs. These are dialogs that work within the namespace of created component pages. To add a dialog within a page, we use the new dialog method. A dialog with an OK and a cancel button will be created. In this example, we have created a grid and added some buttons to trigger the dialog box. The dialog box will receive the message, the title, and perhaps a process key. We have named our page component MyPage, thus the OK click event for the dialog will be MyPage OK click, and for cancel MyPage cancel click. So when OK is clicked in the dialog, it fires MyPage OK click subroutine. And when cancel is clicked on the button, it fires the MyPage cancel click subroutine. For a confirmation dialog, one needs to pass a process key. This enables one to determine which process is linked to the dialog responses. Let's add another button to our grid so that we can demonstrate this. We initially created two buttons in our grid, that was to show an alert and a confirm dialog. The extra button will show a confirm dialog, but we will pass another process key to it. The button we are adding now will trigger the confirm dialog. Let's add the triggering code. We define the process key for the dialog. This will show a dialog with yes and no using is this twice process key. The other process key is ask for it. For each of the process keys, we want to show snack bars. The dialog response can be a yes or a no. MyPage OK click fires when it's yes. When the buttons are clicked, we want the dialog to be hidden either way. You can play around with the output. Thank you.